Good day, my name is Rosette Ventura at ngayon naman gagawin ko naman yung starting point review. So, connected na tayo sa VPN. So, ispan na natin yung ating machine. So, medyo matagal lang siya mag-generate ng IP. So, ito. So, ito yung IP ng target machine natin na ito, which is Ceridian. So, punta tayo sa terminal. So, i-close ko muna. I-clear ko na lang muna ito. So, i-pin muna natin yung ating IP kung meron siya connection. So, meron. So, try natin magsagot. So, which TCP port is open on the machine? So, try natin execute using nmap command. Nmap dash s dash e for port, then yung IP. So, error siya. So, kulang, which is min read dash p, then min read 5k, then IP for port is 5k. So, yung default is port 6379. Then which service is running on the port that is open on the machine? So your answer is Redis. What type of database is Redis? Choose from the following options. So this is in-memory database. In-memory kasi it relies on the main memory of the computer for data storage. Which command line utilities used to interact with the Redis server? Enter the program name you would enter into the terminal without adding arguments. So, punta tayo dito. So, Redis dash CLI. Okay. Tuloy muna natin. So, install muna natin. So, up. Install Redis tools. So, install natin siya sa Redis CLI. Tanong which command, so without any arguments. So dash h. Okay. So Redis, so excuse me. Which flag is used with the Redis command line utility to specify the hostname? So nakakamatin ko naman ng dash h for hostname. So ito. Once connected to a Redis server, which command is used to obtain the information and the statistics about the Redis server? So, punta tayo dito. So, using this command, clear natin. So, tldr Redis CLI. So, installing tildr. Tayo na natin. So, pasokan natin yung IP ng ito. So, Redis dash CLI dash h and then yung ating IP. So, ayan. Info. Ayan. So, version po ito. So, sagot dito is info. Next, what is the version? So, nakita na rin kanina. Ito. 5 minus 11.7. So, which command is used to select? So, nandito na yung sagot. Database. So, select yung sagot dito. So, execute natin. So, select index 0. So, ayun. So, select. How many keys are present inside the database with index 0? So, balik tayo dito. So, keys, and then asterisk para malaman natin kung ilan yung keys available. So, we have 4 keys. So, 4. Which command is used to obtain all keys? So, keys asterisk. Ito. Ayun yung root flag naman. So, balik tayo dito. So, So, get cloud. Ayan. So, ito yung ating root cloud. Segment cloud. So, yun lang. Thank you.